Hi everybody, Allison Williams here, Law Firm Mentor. And as promised in my last video, I am telling you now about my program coming up in February, Systematize Your Law Business. Systematize Your Law Business is all about creating the exact policies, procedures, and systems in your law firm to make it run without you. And that is one of the things that most people have contacted me really looking for. Sure, we all want more money. More money is going to create a better lifestyle for us. It's going to give us freedom. It's going to give us an enjoyment of being a law firm owner. But freedom is really the other part of this that oftentimes does not get talked about, because I think lawyers are kind of hardwired to believe that we need to be working hard and that this needs to be as difficult as possible. And the only thing that we should really be doing if we are creating a law firm is making money with it, or we are escaping some type of awful law firm experience. So my law firm experiences were not awful. I loved working at a large law firm. I liked working at a mid-sized law firm. And then when I created my own, I created an environment that I love to be in. And what I have grown to see from different people and hearing their complaints about their law firms, both my clients as well as just lawyers that I encounter in the day-to-day life, is that people really don't like the fact that they feel tethered to their law firm. There's a great pressure that comes with being an attorney, but being an attorney that can never step away, that can never go on vacation without email, that have to get up at 6 a.m. to bang out a couple of hours because they don't want piles of stuff coming back, waiting for them when they come back from vacation. Those are very real experiences, and we have those whether we own a two-person shop that's making a couple $100,000 a year, or if we own a multi-million-dollar law firm with 20, 30, 40, 50 attorneys. And so the question becomes, well, how do you get to that place where you don't have to be kind of an extension of your law firm, but you really get to be freestanding, and your law firm gets to have a meaning, a purpose, a value, and a construction without you. And that's what Systematize Your Law Business is all about. It's for lawyers that want to step away from the day-to-day grind. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to not want to practice law. There are some lawyers that just want to own a business, and that's great. That's absolutely something I can help you do, because that's essentially the role that I have now. I'm kind of chief mentor in charge of developing attorneys in my office, but I'm not going to court for the most part. And that's what I want. But there are other people that very much want to be in court. They don't want to run systems and run people and manage people. And you can create that too. You just have to be very strategic about who you hire and what places you put them in. But most people don't really conceptualize that. So one of the things that Systematize Your Law Business is going to help you do is figure out what is the type of law firm that you want to create. Do you want to be the lead lawyer? Do you want to be the lead manager? Do you want to be a combination of both of those? We can help you do that. And once you decide that, then there are certain policies and procedures that you absolutely must have in terms of how you hire, how you communicate in your office, how you get work done in your office, how you delegate, and ultimately how you deal with money in your office. Those are going to be some of the pillars that we're going to talk about, but it's all going to be designed around interactivity. So anytime you come to one of Law Firm Mentor retreats, you will see that you're not going to be sitting passively consuming information. It's very much about engaging in the process, and you're going to walk away with an action step, a plan, a process that you're going to put into place as soon as you get back to your office, so that you don't just take the information, put it down somewhere, and hope for the best that you eventually get around to it. You actually have a plan and are starting to work your plan before you get on the plane going home, so that you're not just getting data points. You're getting action items that you are going to want to put into place and that you're going to have the tools to know how to. And that's really what we're all about. We're really about empowering lawyers to get to that place of nirvana where they have the law firms that they want. And Systematize Your Law Business is all about doing that, and doing that in a way that doesn't break the bank and doesn't break the spirit. So if you're interested in learning more about that, we are going to have information out available in the public domain, but the best way of getting in now, because this one again has 20 seats. This one actually we've already sold 13 of the 20 seats, so there is some limitation coming up. It will be February 16th and 17th here in Short Hills, New Jersey. At one point, I would say it would be at my office, but we've actually already outgrown my office, which is wonderful to hear because I have an office with 9,000 square feet of space, and apparently that's not enough for the wonderful people that come to our retreats. So we're probably going to move off-site, and where off-site will be announced shortly, but it will be in New Jersey. Yes, it's cold in New Jersey in February, but you're adults. You can put on a coat to get from the airport to the hotel, and it'll be worth it. It absolutely will be worth it. So there's going to be a video up soon about marketing for the masters, so you get a sense of what a retreat with Law Firm Mentor is like. But to learn about Systematize Your Law Business so that you can start to create freedom in law practice, please do contact us. I'm going to put my scheduler and my email down below. If my scheduler does not have slots that work for you, we have a lot of time on nights and weekends right now. During the work week, I am pretty much scheduled out almost now through the end of the year. But I will make myself available when I'm at conferences and things like that. So don't assume that if time is not technically available on the scheduler that you can't get in. You just need to email us, and we're happy to get on the phone with you and talk to you about what we have to offer. Okay? Allison Williams, Law Firm Mentor. Have a great day.